Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the previous session we have seen how to download the Git into our local machine and some of the commands in the Git. In this particular session we are going to fire more of the commands in the Git, and we are going to see how to add a username into the Git and how to set an email address to that specific user. Okay, so let's begin. This was our folder that we have created in the previous session. Okay, and these were the files that were associated with this folder. Okay, so let me open the bash to ls. These are the files. Okay, there are various commands in the Git. If you want to see those commands, there is a command for that is git help. Okay, these are the commands in the Git: clone, init, add, mv. This is a very short method to explain the command. What does this command actually does. Okay, if you want to see in detail about this command, you have to add one command. You have to hit one command, that is git help. If you want to see what does the branch does, what does the commit does, okay, you have to just hit a command git help. If you want to see what does the fetch command does, okay, just type git help fetch. Okay, so after firing this command, the output will be redirected to our web browser. Okay, let's see where is the output. Git help fetch. See here, our web browser is been initialized by hitting this command. So this is a manual page of the git fetch command. What does the git fetch command does? And there are various kinds of options. All append, these are the options. So this is the very helpful command, that is git help. Okay, so now we are going to see how to add a username into a specific Git. Okay, for doing that, there is a command, that's a git config --- global user.name Jonathan fine. Okay, just enter it. So what is the use of this command? Why to fire this command? Okay, there is a reason for that, guys. Okay, let me open the GitHub for you so that you can understand what I'm saying. See guys, these are the some of the users who have actually committed that, who have pushed their codes to their central repository. This is one user, Sai Krishna. This is one user. Okay, so there are various such users, non-com. Okay, so if we don't do this, if we don't fire this command, then we will get confused actually who has committed his codes to the central repository. Okay, for a better understanding, we have to add the username to the Git. Okay, so you can understand that which user has actually committed his code on which date. Okay, so we can specify one email address to it also. Global user email address, give email address to it, lion@gmail.com. Okay, after firing this both command, this username and this email address will be added to the configuration file of the Git. Okay, this is a shortcut method for adding the username and email address to the Git configuration file. Okay, so now let's do git status. Okay, nothing is there. Let's touch some file. Touch. Rhythm. Okay, let's git add dot. All file will be added to the staging area. Let's do git commit -m. Rhythm was added. Rhythm file, we can say rhythm file was added. Sorry guys, we're added. Just enter it. Okay, so if you want to see the logs in the Git, there is a command for that, that is a git log. Between this command we can see the logs in the Git. Let's do git log. See guys, rhythm file was added. Okay, so this commit id, this is basically the commit id. The commit id would be unique. See guys, all the commit id are different. So this is the commit id for this specific file, that is Pritham. Okay, so we have fired this command git config -- global username. After this file was actually added to the configuration file of the git. So now we can see author name has been changed, Jonathan, Lion, and the email address this. Okay, so we have successfully added this username into the configuration file of the git. Okay, so we can cross verify with the git log command. Okay, so next thing we are going to see how to remove the file. You have to remove this file, that is git ram. For that you have to do git ram git rm you do, and just type this rm ram. See guys, this file is been deleted successfully. Okay, now do git status for that, deleted. So now you have to commit that change, commit it. Ram was deleted. Let's do git status now. See, so this is the method to delete a specific file. So now we are going to see how to add a central repository to our local repository. For doing that, what you can do is just click on here, and you have to copy this URL. Just copy it, go in the git bash. Okay, so there is a command, there is a git remote add origin, enter the URL here. Okay, so what does this command does? This command will basically add the URL into its local repository. Okay, it will add this URL into its remotely it will add into the local repository. Okay, just hit enter. Okay, this is basically already exists. Okay, before, because I have actually hit this command before. Okay, so this remote origin is already exists. Okay, so this error will not come in your machine. Okay guys, so don't worry. Now we have to pull these commands, we have to pull these files. These are some files into this specific sample code repository. These files are there. We have to pull these files into our local repository. For doing that, we have to hit on command and git pull origin master. By firing this command, all the repositories will be added to our local repository. Okay, guys, let's do enter. See guys, the files are downloading from all these files. These files are actually adding to the local repository. Okay, it will take a bit time, guys. I'm going to pause this video. After completion of this, I will resume it again. Okay guys, so just wait. Hello friends, welcome back. Actually, what I have done is this repository which we are downloading, this was taking a lot of time, guys, because the size of the repository was very huge. This was the repository we were trying to downloading. Just wait, guys. So this was the repository that we were trying to download. That is sample codes. Okay. So it was taking a lot of time, guys. So what I have decided to download this repository, that is new project. It consists of very less files. Okay, so I have successfully downloaded these kinds of files, these kinds of repository in my local machine. See, if I do ls, see, these are the files that are successfully pulled from my central repository to my local repository. So these are the files. Patrick, John, Pritham was actually in my local machine. Okay, Wilson and Yuvraj. These are some kind of files that are successfully downloaded, successfully pulled from my central repository to my local repository. Now let's see what is the git push command. Git push origin master. Let's do first. Let's touch some file. Touch. Okay, let's do git add dot, let's do git commit 3 files where it enter, files are added. Now let's do git log, 3 files are added. Okay, now let's do git push. After firing this command, the 3 files that we added to our local machine would be executed on the okay. After doing this, after firing this command, our 3 files that we added to the local machine will be transferred to the center server. Okay, let's try it. Git push origin master. This is a command to push our codes to the central repository. Okay, just wait. Let's see, he's asking for the username of the GitHub. Okay, let's enter it. The password, just enter username and password and see. 100% done. 14 files executed. Just wait, guys. It will take a lesson. Let's wait. Let's do refresh here. See, guys, we have successfully transferred the files from local repository to a central repository. See, the Kuldeep was not, this file was not present here. Just we have pushed this file from a local repository to a central repository. So here 2 minutes ago, Alinta was not present here. We have successfully pushed our codes from local to central. So this is a method to push the files, push our codes from our local to the central server. Okay, guys. So in the next session we are going to see some more commands in the Git. Okay, so stay tuned.